Anything here today? No. Just rubbish. Just rubbish. The fridge is still there. It's got the dingle in it. It's still got the compressor in it. Wow. That's a miracle. The bastards. So I just saw a lawnmower. Yeah, I did. Take a lawnmower. Hello and welcome to a Vandal vlog video, and in this video we're going street scrapping. Yes, hurrah, we're back street scrapping again. It's Saturday, it's nice and cool, so thought I'd get out there. I didn't come out at all yesterday. No, it was chucking it down. Well, it was torrential rain, so I'm not expecting to find much, because I doubt people were putting stuff out, but we're going to have a look, see what we can find. That way. Is that scrap? Stop number one. Looks like a golf cart. What's that, pretty cat? It's metal. The mama's all dirty again. It's a nice morning. Yeah, I got you on chest cam. I can't do head cam anymore. Just don't like it. Just gets in the way. Picked up a couple of things, but as usual, the flipping camera's messing around. There's nothing but a nuisance around this camera. It's nothing but a nuisance. Just picked up that motor, whatever that is. No, oh, it's not going to be brass, is it? Won't be covered in brass, but some big ass motor of some sort. Yeah. But the camera's been a bell end. Right, let's see what else we can find and try and get on camera. Cherry. Basket. An old chair. They cut that on purpose so no one else could use it. Idiots. What's in there? Some across the road there, isn't there? alright. Noisy enough. Just down here. I think I can see a metal bed frame. Bit of metal there, huh? It is indeed a metal bed frame. I'll take a metal bed frame. Bit of shearing. Oh. Still ain't done a bloody lock yet, have I? Because I'm an idiot. It's just a friendly. Stacking needs some improvement, to be sure. What's that? It's not even metal, is it? It's plastic. Don't want plastic. We want scrap. Scrap metal. Shearing, that goes short because it's under a metre. Fit gauge. So we'll look over there quick. It's not a bad day. It's only about 9 o'clock. Saturday morning. After the storm. Sure, I saw some metal over here. Oh, what? Is that it? Just a pump. A working pump. The bit of aluminium. I am starving. Greg's is just down the road. I think we're going to have to make a sacrifice to the scrap gods. Hey, little big mama. Look at her, she's dirty already. Why don't you just clean this van and she's rotten? Stay. A few bits and bobs here. Take my snips just in case. So we've got a scooter, a wheelchair. All manner of other detritus. Chuck it in for now. I'll sort it out when I get to Greg's. Get to Greg's. Oh yeah, that was a microwave there and all. That's a bloody score, isn't it? Didn't think there'd be anything out there. Sorry, guys. There's loads of bits. Cleaning up these streets, look. One street at a time. Come in. Just taking my lamp for a walk. on the camera. Get in. Some motor in there. Some motor in there. It's full of water. I'll take it. Yes. Yes, that is the worst stacking you've ever seen in your life. I mean, there's a brush there. I'll take a brush. I might as well clean up everything, and might as well clean up the lot. What else we got here? Take a chair. Take that. Take it all. Leaves nothing. I'll even take that. I'll even take this. I'm just that nice. Just that kind of guy. You know? It's like cleaning these streets up, one street at a time. Yeah. That was a nice little score there. I'm sure I can see a bed frame. There's a bunch of junk there. Oh, it's going to be a mess. One hell of a mess to clean up. Look at the Greg's. I don't know about that stuff over there though. That just looks like toys been left up. Full taco going on here. Can I get that other bit in here? Do I want to get that other bit in here? Heavy. This is the worst stacking I've ever done in my life. Oh my days. It's in. We need a major clean up in here. Over. Wormy wormies. Well, I've been at Greg's just making a sacrifice, and I've been in the back of the van having a bit of a tidy up. I will admit, this is not my greatest work. We've just gone full taco and just rammed it up the front. If I have to, I could always cut this back with the reciprocator. Got enough room for some appliances, one in there, I can lift that up. And I'll have to go and get emptied this morning anyway, so I've got collections to do and I've got stuff I need to work on tomorrow in here. So yeah, let's go and do that. Let's go and see what we can find and get these collections done. Try again, shall we? Blinking camera. Oh, what? It's a pushchair. What's that? That's plastic. I think they're still using it. I don't think so. Go in there. You can stop moving around and all. Battery. As usual, camera's mucking around again. Flipping heck's going on with these bloody GoPros? Can't they make a camera this day and age that flipping works when you want it to? So annoying. Got scrappy bits in here. Probably not much. Oh yeah, cut the stair gates. Nice. Oh, it's not metal, is it? Rubber. Do not hit the car. Big old stair gate there, what's that there? Some sort of control panel on there, isn't it? No idea. Let's take that out. That goes shearing. Little bit of a walk. Sweet spot. And in. Right then, I am parked up I need to sort some stuff out in the back and cut the plugs off these. I might as well get these cords weighed in. Turn the lights off. And in the back, if I can get to it. Nearly a goner then. So I just need to scrap that microwave out quick, get the motors out of here quick, cut the cord off, and then it's going to be a mix and mash of light iron and shearing. Question is, what do I do first? By the looks of it, shearing. So I'll get these scrapped out quick, which is momentarily on that one, and do that quick and find somewhere to put you guys, which isn't going to be boring like normal, and go and get weighed and paid. So I'll see you guys momentarily. Right, if the camera behaves itself, should be able to record a bit of shearing first. Bloody GoPros. Right, it's going to be a nightmare getting this out. Light iron. Yes, Stargates go shearing. I don't know where to put these, so I might as well get rid of them. iron. Right, shite iron that. Nice aluminium heatsink in that. Anyone? Oh, that could have went shearing, but oh. Yeah. Yeah. Crotches have I got? Get out. I take a no fox given approach when it comes to crotches. Get out. Come here. There's no cord behind. That's it. Little sweepy. Alright, that's it, just batteries and cords. So, we just got weighed and paid, and we went in with PVC Flex, that's VIR or household or cords as it's known as. Only had 10 kilos at £1,880 a tonne for £18.80. We had light iron, that's dirty iron. We had 220 kilograms at £155 a tonne for £34.10. Shearing steel, that's clean steel over 1 metre. 220 kilos at £230 a tonne for £50.60. And lead acid batteries, we had 37 kilograms at £460 a tonne for £17.02, which gave us a final sum of £120.52. It's not too shabby. That was a little run around yesterday and this morning, and that brings the total sum, I think it's 350, was it? It was 350 something. Hold up, I'm sure it's 350 something. Let's have a look. Calculator, where's it gone? Oh, £373.21, which is not great, but I've only spent 40 quid on fuel this week. So this week I just chilled. I just wanted a nice chilled week. I wasn't putting myself under too much stress in that, you know, and yeah, I quite enjoyed it. I've still got some alloys to get through. I've still got a combi boiler to strip down. I've still got some copper motors to get through. I think next week I'll be. I think next week should be a good one. if I can get all my transformers, my copper transformers broken up and that, I should be able to go in with about 15-20 kilos of number 2. That's about it, to be honest with you. Don't know, we'll see anyway. But yeah, I just enjoyed a chilled week this week, you know. Not too much running around and nothing. It was my birthday the other day, so I just wanted to do a nice relaxed week. And yeah, it was alright. It was alright. We made some money. I'll pay my rent, you know, keeps the van going. And yeah, puts a bit of money in the bank. So we just have to see what next week brings, and hopefully it won't be too hot. Today's been great. Today's been really nice. But anyway, that's it for this one. Thanks for sticking with me. Thanks for being cool. Thanks for being kind. And until next time, stay foxy. Alright guys, I love yous. Boom. Boom. And if you like this video, please give it a pause up. And if you'd like to see more, please subscribe. And find out whether or not I can make a living out of street scrapping. Well, hold on. That was the chair. Look, I can live on £300 a week, okay? Don't get me wrong, I'm not being greedy or nothing, but for me to progress in the scrap business, for £300 a week, I can't save, and I can't get a warehouse, you know. I'm the type of person who likes a couple of grand in the bank, you know, for the rainy days, and I can't do that on £300 a week. So, you know, I have tried getting back into a bit of roofing, but I don't want to go back commercial roofing. I want to do it on my own terms, do my own jobs. So I've been chatting with a few people about that, try and get that going again, and I'll just have to grin and bear it. But hopefully at the end of this month, when I get paid by YouTube, I'm going to go and have a look at a container. So on average, I earn about £200 a month from YouTube since I've started, so it's about £50 a week. And a container is about £200 a month. So if I can keep putting on 3 or 4 videos a week and keep getting, you know, somewhat decent views for the amount of subscribers that I've got, then I think I could keep it up. You know, if I can get £200 a month every month, then that'll pay for a container, and I think that'll pay for itself. I really do. But we'll have to see. Anyway, I'm just waffling. Until then, be cool, be kind, and I'll see you next time on Vandal Vlogs. Boom, boom, towards home and greatness.